Okay, let's talk about building a digital shield for your business. It's way more critical than you might think. So, your entire business runs on tech, right? But here's the question. Are you really in control?
First up, let's get something straight. A technical audit finds flaws. A process audit makes things run better. But real control isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about building a system of total visibility. You can think of this as a journey, really. It happens in 4 essential layers. And it all kicks off with layer 1, the foundation, grabbing all the right data.
We're talking about pulling data right from your core infrastructure, your servers, your network gear.
And of course, from all your operating systems. Think Windows, Linux, you name it. Then you've got every single app, your databases, your web services, all sending crucial signals. And you can't forget the endpoints. We're talking laptops, mobile devices, the whole shebang. This mountain of data really boils down to 3 key types: logs, metrics, and traces. Okay, so you've gathered all this data. Layer 2 is where you give it a secure place to live. Then comes layer 3. This is where the magic happens, finding the important signals in all that noise. You know, this quote says it all. Finding the problem is one thing, but acting on it, that's key. Which brings us to layer 4, your incident response plan. It's your playbook for when things go south. So with this whole system in place, our shield, we unlock some seriously powerful security tools, like intrusion detection. You're basically watching for any funny business on your network in real time. We can also do what's called penetration testing. Think of it like being a good guy hacker. This also fuels vulnerability management. It's a nonstop process of finding and fixing security holes. And hey, if something does happen, you've got all the data you need for digital forensics. Okay, but let's zoom out. Why are we doing all of this? What's the big picture goal? It's all about achieving true cyber resilience. It's not just about defense, it's about bouncing back. And that resilience, it becomes the foundation for really strong cybersecurity governance. At the end of the day, it really comes down to this one simple idea: be prepared, not just reactive. Which leaves us with one final, critical question for you to consider.